so now we're driving the car. This is on the stock exhaust, about 3,000 RPM. Got the valves closed, give it a little squeeze. Not too much there. You can hear the engine more than the exhaust. A little bit of a growl. A couple little burbles out of it there when you lift off. Reach down and hit the exhaust button, open those valves up. Again, a little bit of a growl there. You can definitely tell the valve's open, but still a fairly muted exhaust sound. As soon as we get down to a cruise, really can't hear it. There's much more in the way of road noise than there is exhaust noise. All right, so we're all finished up doing the development on the Jaguar F Pace SVR exhaust. So we're going to go out and shoot some sound clips today, show you what it sounds like with the valves open and closed. Then we're going to come back and throw some downpipes on it so you can get an idea of what it sounds like with those on as well. Alright, so we got the downpipes on the car now, so we're running our Sport Cat downpipes with the valve exhaust system. We're in valves closed position now, we're cruising along at about 40 miles an hour in 8th gear. We're still pretty manageable. It is definitely louder in valve closed position with the downpipes. Both of the modes are going to go up in volume. We're still not overwhelming in the cabin here, we still got a pretty smooth sound. We can open them up. Again, it's still not nuts, but we do notice that if we downshift a couple times, we got a little bit more growl, like we got a real mean sound going on now. Definitely does not sound like an SUV, and I think if people see this coming down the road, there's going to be a little disconnect between what you hear and what you see. So that's windows up. Drop one down now. So we're still in the valve open position.